Hello, welcome to another HSB Academy tutorial session. My name is Alex, and today I will be taking you through some new features that were added with the recent release of hsbDesign 27 for Revit. hsbDesign will now support the ability to add framing styles to compound ceilings within Revit. Our ceiling tools will work similar to the floors, even to the point of sharing certain features. Today, I'd like to take you through a quick overview of the ceiling functionalities that we have implemented. For more in-depth design tips, using the HSB ceiling element package, you can always look up some of our videos on our YouTube page. The first thing I'd like to do is go to the HSB ceiling element ribbon. And as you see here, it's going to be very similar to what you might have already seen with the floor elements. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the framing styles editor. And as I mentioned before, the ceiling and the floor system is going to be kind of sharing some of the features right now in our framing styles editor. So when you come to creating a group for ceilings, you'll hit the add group, and your options in the drop-down menu for now are wall, floor, and roof. So you're going to select floor. I gave it a name in order for me to basically just be able to organize myself a little bit better when I know I'm going to be adding ceilings versus floors when matching my framing styles. So I added ceiling. I created a ceiling framing style here. Very simple, just one zone. I got my edge details. And then I'm going to hit OK. So that now is loaded into the project. So the next thing we're going to want to do is go match the compound ceiling that we have right here to that framing style. So we're going to go here, match framing styles. And since this project only has one wall and one ceiling currently modeled, it'll be very easy for us to match this real quick. I'm going to go and find my compound ceiling. And right here, I'm going to go find the framing style F that was assigned to my ceiling. Place it here and hit save. We would then typically add your item container, pick your ceiling, hit finish, and now we're ready to frame. I'm going to hit the generate button. So with everything framed, you'll see here, let me just hide the ceiling family. I've got my ceiling framed now. One last little comment I'd like to make, just to, again, make sure that you guys are off on the right foot here when you decide to start using the ceiling package. As we saw with the framing styles here, that you can create the groups and they would be shared under floor. That'll be the same for when it comes to connections, for example. It'll be floor to floor connection or floor to wall connection. So what I would do is obviously having those different groups. You'll notice here in my list now, I've got that connection between my wall and my floor, my exterior wall and my ceiling. So this is how you'll be able to generate the ceiling framing. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. As I said, feel free to look up some more videos on the ceiling package that we've recently added to the hsbDesign software.